Hi, I'm Danielle Valiente with Atmosphere Salon, and our question is how to replace gel with cream for curly hair. If you've been using gel on your curly hair and you're just deciding for whatever reason you just don't want to use it anymore, I can share some great options with you for what to replace it with. One of my favorites is this Twirl Around. It's a crunch-free curl definer, but my favorite part about it is it's actually two products swirled into one. It's a hydrating cream and a smoothing gel. So it's not going to be as strong as using a direct gel right onto the hair, but it's going to give you those beautiful curls without the frizz and without making them crunchy. Next is Fast Form. It's actually a cream gel and one of my favorite products as well because it gives you a clean, smooth, flexible hold to your curls. And those are two great options for replacing gel with a cream.